Hi guys, welcome back to another important video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use a demo account for free. And then I'll show you the most important part. How do you build a draft portfolio, a demo account portfolio? Here, if you see, I've been tracking for the past 1 month. I have been trying to practice one strategy. I've been trying to book nearly 5 to 10K every week. So this is a weekly strategy. So whatever strategy you have, how do you practice them? How do you save them in a demo account? I'll show you how to do that for free. Towards the end, I'll show you how you can practice your strategies, backtest them for the past 5 years of historical data. All right. So let's get into the video. Let's see how you can do this for free. So the first thing you must note is that we use the platform Sensible. A very important and standard disclaimer is that I am not paid by Sensible or any other platform which I mention here to promote their product. I am here just sharing what I use. So if you see here, there are different login options. Login to continue, right? So there is Zerodha, Angel One, Upstock, ICICI Direct. These are broker platforms. If you have a DMAT account in them, you can log in using the same DMAT account. If you have Google, if you're Gmail, you can log in via Gmail also. So how do you get it for free? First thing is that I am using Zerodha as your broker account. So when I log in with Zerodha, Sensible has all the premium features free for Zerodha users. So this is one trick. Most important part, opening an account in Zerodha is also free. So I use this to log in using Sensible. So Zerodha is free for me, and then opening account in Sensible also is free. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to log in Zerodha, and then it'll automatically log in Sensible. This is the home page of Sensible now. Home page, you can see there's some people showcasing their PNL, some advanced tools at the bottom of your screen, but our main aim is to use the demo account and strategy builder here. You can, on your own time, you can explore this platform, but right now, strategy builder and demo account. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to the draft portfolios. Draft portfolio is the demo account part. So once I click here, what happens is first I went to, like I showed again, I went to trade option on top. Then I have clicked your practice. That is your practice trade and draft portfolios. So what does the draft portfolio do? It saves all your strategies, your demo account trades in one place. All right. After doing that, you can change the view however you want it. But important point here is that it uses the live market data, simulated environment. This has nothing to do with your real money. This is a simulated environment. It will give you an option later using your, I'll show you how it's done. You can directly trade in your broker platform from here, but I'll show you how that's done. But right now, try to understand that this is a little bit complicated. This, when I click here, I show my testing. This is a bit complicated. Import strategies, changes strategies, all here. All this is a little bit difficult. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this testing part, sorry, trade part on top. Click on strategy builder. Click on strategy builder. This is the home page of a strategy builder. This is what you'll be using most in your strategy building course when you learn that. This is what you'll be using the most. And yes, it comes in dark mode also. Click on the settings on top. You see here settings. Click on dark mode. Now, many of you are familiar with light and dark mode. Many of you fancy this dark mode. Good for you. But let me tell you one practical advice. Once you start using this for more than 4 to 5 hours every day, you will need the use of dark mode sometime. All right. Keep that in mind. Don't keep any bias. There's nothing to do with your PNL or strategy. It's just to save your eyes. Here on the bottom, so build a custom strategies on top. I'll show you how to do that. On the bottom, you see there are different strategies here. So first you select the expiry, whichever expiry you want. Here, pull call, put call, call spread. If I just click on it, it'll show me one sample strategy here. Long, synthetic, range forward, butterfly. Same thing. What I want to do is, suppose now I want to clear this. Just click on clear. All right. Then bearish strategies. So suppose currently Nifty is trading around 24,780. Click on this bearish. These are ready-made strategies basically, right? So this is the calendar spread, put spread, long calendar put spread. So this you can click from here. You can change it to bear condor. All this is available. Just clear them for now. for now you clear them. You understood basically how to use a ready-made option. There are neutral strategies also, short straddle, long butterfly, short butterfly, on that. There are other ratio spreads and so on and so forth. Basically, now you understood strategy builder, ready-made strategies. What we're going to do now is the main part. This is the draft portfolios. Same thing which I showed you earlier. Same thing which I showed you earlier using this part. This practice trade, when you click that, it shows something like this. I don't want this. I want to access it using here. This is a very good feature. Draft portfolios direct from your strategy, custom strategy. So I'm going to click there. And here you can see that I have different portfolios. I'm testing some nifty strategies, some weekly strategies, some monthly, and some other strategies, right? So in that portfolio itself, I have 6 strategies running. Booked or not booked, that is open or closed, does not matter. But these are the 6 strategies. I'm just going to create for you. It won't be there. First, you need to create a new portfolio. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new portfolio here. I'm going to change the name to Nifty Testing Demo. You can put any name. It is not going to affect your PNL at all. So once I've clicked that, it looked like this, right? Ready-made. We come to draft portfolios. You clicked create new portfolio, Nifty Testing Demo. You have created a new portfolio. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you one strategy called My Strategy. This is a dummy strategy. Change the name. So next week for me is June 12th. So June 12th expiry. I'm just showing you how you can do this. June 12th expiry. Now I've changed the name of this strategy. So we are inside this portfolio, demo portfolio. Draft is nothing but demo. In this demo portfolio, and I click it, there is one strategy. It does not have any positions. So I want to create positions now. Click on this. And then on top, there's something called add draft trade. Import from Zerodha. So I have logged in using Zerodha. So it shows me import from Zerodha. You can, whatever broker platform or how you enter using Google or whatever, it will show here. And if you're using a broker platform, you'll get this option, import from Zerodha. So I'm going to add using draft trade. All right. So once I click that, I can see the option chain. So you can see the option chain of the current expiry. You can change the option chain for whichever expiry you want in the future. I'm going to select 12th June. And then, for example, I'm just taking, this is at the money, right? This is at the money option chain. So by now you must know how to use an option chain. So I'm just taking one option, put buy, done. On the bottom, you see this option done. You can clear them again. And also when you go to, you can select the futures, you can select ready-made strangles and straddles. That is different. Here, I have just taken a sample example. I have taken a put option. I have just clicked on it, buy, lot size. I'm taking only one, done. So it will show here, this is a draft trade, but this is not yet saved in my portfolio, not in my strategy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save. Before I do that, I'll check expiry is correct. Okay, strike price is correct. PE is correct. Lot size correct. Price, I can reset the price to refresh it. Okay, this is fine. Now I'm just going to click save. So what has happened? It has directly saved in my, this is your portfolio. This is the strategy name. So what I'm going to do is clear everything. I'm going back to the ready-made. So this is my home page again of strategy builder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draft portfolios. I have created a portfolio here. Click on that. Inside that, I have 12th June expiry, one of the strategies. Done. When I click that, it will show me what are the trades inside this demo account. Now, question is, I want to add another trade here. I want to add another trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add here, add and import. So when I click add manually, this will show me the option chain. If I use add using Zerodha trades, meaning in my live account, real trading account, demat account, if there are any trades, you can add from there also. But right now I'm just doing demo. So add manually. Once I've done that, suppose now I've taken put option. I want to sell this. I've clicked sell here. Now I have added this, but you see that this is the final on the right side. This is your payoff graph. This is your payoff graph. It will show me the net strategy, how it will look like. But I have not yet entered this. I have not saved the new position, correct? This is not yet inside my portfolio. This is just a trial. I'm just selecting it just to test how it will look like. That's all. I have not yet saved it. Here, this is what it will look like, payoff graph. Now you can see there's something called select option. This select, if I unselect it, uncheck it, it won't show. The adjustment won't show here. So if I click on it, only then it will show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to my portfolio. I'm going to click on reset price. I'm going to save this position here. All right. Now I've saved this position. This is what my portfolio right now demo account strategy looks like. As simple as that. Nothing to worry about. I'll show you in another video how you can deeply go into Greek's strategy charts. You'll understand all this in the strategy building course. Right now, this is all you need to do to manage your demo account. As simple as that. It is not complicated at all. Now, question is on the bottom. I want to create, this is already running. I want to create a new strategy. Click on new one. So this is another style strategy. Let's say Bank Nifty monthly. Click on that, add. So what you've done is you've gone to your draft portfolios, clear all trades, ready-made draft portfolios. Your portfolio, inside that portfolio itself, you have created June 12th. This is one of the Nifty expiry you have done for Nifty. Bank Nifty monthly expiry. So this is another different strategy. So I have done this. I have changed the name here to Bank Nifty. On top left hand side, you see Bank Nifty. So this will show me the option chain of Bank Nifty. This is only, there's no weekly option here. So this is only monthly option. Here what I've done is I've taken this. I have tried to create a short straddle here. Sold at the money and sold at the money call and put. This is again in the drafts. Here you see that there is no save option. There is no save option. That means you have not selected your strategy. You have to select this, then click on add to drafts, create the strategy again, make sure the save option comes, then reset the price to check once, check your positions, save. Now it will be saved in your Bank Nifty monthly. This is a different strategy, right? So this is saved here, Bank Nifty monthly. Best part you can do is modify. You can modify, you can delete this, you can re-enter it, you can change the price of entry, all that you can change, you can update it. Simple as that. All right. This is how you create a demo portfolio. In the demo portfolio, you can create strategies. So for example, if you check my current Nifty testing, what I've done is this, I've been testing different strategies which give me 5 to 10,000 every week. So in that, what I've done, I've started from May 8th expiry last month. And for every expiry, I've been using the similar strategy. I have been testing it. Now the coming month is 12th. Next expiry is 12th of June. So for that, now I have to pend. I'm pending. I have not yet started a new strategy, right? So I have to start adding them, and I'll do that. When I do that, I'll select this, and I will add a draft trade for my practice. Simple. This is not complicated at all. Very, very simple. How do you do this? All right. Now let us learn how do you backtest 5 years of data. All right. This is Stock Mock. This is another platform. Unlike Sensible, like I've told you, is a free platform. How we can use it for free. StockMock, however, is totally different. This is your homepage of StockMock. It's a very good backtesting platform. Click on login here. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. Click on login. Use your credentials to log in, or however you want to. This is your homepage. Now this is your homepage of StockMock. What I do here is I go to the simulator option on top here. There are different there's simulator, there's builder, there's portfolio. You can create a draft portfolio also. Option chain. Your builder is nothing but your strategy builder. Again, you have learned that. Your basket is you can test different baskets of trades. The important part to note is that there is no free plan here. Once I go to simulator, there is no free plan here. This I think costs me at the moment around 400 to 500 rupees per month. This is a monthly subscription. You can use this for backtesting. So what I'm going to do now is that here in this simulator, when you click this, select your instrument, checking Nifty, and I am going back to 20, you can go all the way back to 2017. So I'm going back, let's say few months. We'll go to January, and we'll go to the first Monday, 6th. All right. So 6th Jan, we have gone to 2025, nearly 6 months, 5 months back. Here, what happens is the option chain shows the data of that date exactly. So this is historical option chain data. Monday, your time is here, 9 a.m. and 16. So this is 16 minutes. So 9:16 in the morning on Monday, 6th of Jan 2025, 5 months back. You can go all the way back to 2017. You can go back all the way to 2017, right? So very important, you can do that and backtest your data. So what you're going to do is you go open your price chart and you want to practice at this moment, you want to add a short straddle, right? For example, I've added a short straddle. So here, basically, I have sold. Remove it again. I'll show you. That is how this is ready-made strategies again. If you want to do manual, click on this option chain. You can see this is option chain. You select which expiry do you want. 9th of Jan expiry selected. And this is the live option prices. Here you can see buy and sell option. This is 24,050 is the at the money at that time live back in Jan 6th. So I'm going to sell one. I'm going to sell this. This is a short straddle. So once I've done that, your positions will come at the bottom here. The positions are here. And once your positions are here, you can just simulate them forward using auto run. This is one of the option. Next option is you can use manually. You can do it manually. So I can increase this by 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes, what is happening? Next 30 minutes, what's happening? Next 2 hours, what's happening? EOD, end of the day, what's happening? Next day, what's happening? I can change it. Or what I can do is I'll just exit this. I'll start again, clear everything. Go back to 6th of Jan, 9:15 a.m., 9:16 a.m. I've created a short straddle here. There's this auto run feature, right? When I click this here, don't click on play button. First, check this. You want to move, which time frame do you want to choose? You want to choose 15-minute time, any time frame you wish, but 15 minutes is reasonable. So every 1 second, one candle is moving forward. Till when do you want it? Till the expiry. What expiry? Jan 9th expiry. So this will stop at the expiry day end, right? Expiry day end, it will stop. The time frame 15 minute. You can take any time frame you want. Every 1 second, this will move 15 minutes forward. Simple. Click on that. 15-minute one, and till when do you want it? Till expiry. You can change custom, but right now we're doing it to the expiry. Then you click play button here. So what happens is price automatically moves every 1 second. It'll show 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes candle. The data will shift like that. All right. So that is all you have to do. You can make adjustments. You can pause this. Okay, market is falling. I want to do an adjustment here. I can book something, right? I can book from here bottom. You can see. I want to book this. What I'll do is I'll click on here. I'll book it. Now I want to add another trade like this. I want to expand. I want to do some adjustments. You can do that. So you can explore it like this. So basically what you're doing is I am back testing it manually. The reason why I'm doing it manually, not using any algo, is because in the future, in a strategy building course, you will learn we are not going to use what everyone else is doing. We are not going to do what everyone else is doing. Everyone else is using manual fixed, right? Buy at this time, sell at this time. We are going to do it using dynamic market price action. We are going to do it as per our wish, subjective adjustments, not based on any rules. We are going to follow strategy and change it as per market moves, as per market structure, not based on option data. This you learn in the strategy building course. So these are the two platforms which I use the most. This also comes in dark mode. This also comes in dark mode. On top right, you can change it to dark or light. It's up to you. Save your eyes, very important. Thank you guys. I'll show you another video in which We'll go deeper into every feature, and this will happen during the strategy building course. I'll show you each and every feature, which is very, very important. Till then, you can explore all these features in this platform. I've shown you, and just a quick guide to understand how do you create a demo account. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.